Learning Te Reo Rangatira 2. We are going to sharpen our Te Reo Rangatira skills by beginning with a very easy and fun way to begin with. You would need a chart like the one below to begin with. Whatever you place in the middle of the chart, you can then use he te ngā me with the object or word. Here is the basic language exercise using all words from the chart. The red words are the words on the chart. He house, me te car, me ngā trees. A house and the car and the trees. He whare, me te motoka, me ngā rākau. Write the English words into your translation book to translate all the words in your free time later. Click or go here to translate your Pākehā words to Te Reo Rangatira. Try playing this game in the whānau car and try naming all the things you see through the car windscreen. The winner with the most words should get a treat. Nō reira, haere pai, go well and enjoy learning new words, and remember, learning Te Reo Rangatira is fun.